Last time on Madcat sailing, we finally left Harwich and rode the storm all the way to Ramsgate. Get in. Arrived at Ramsgate. Now for the next mission. I think I'll take the slope instead. Just what the captain ordered. Cause he deserves it. This is one of the little ships, part of the famous Operation Dynamo during the Second World War, currently under restoration. Wouldn't like to get this one wet. I came across this shop in the high street making people aware of plastics in our oceans. If we picked up 3 pieces of plastic every time we visited the beach, we'd be helping to save thousands of marine life every year.
Take me by the hand and let's go find our own space. Somewhere in between you and me, it's a piece of magic that we need to release. Ooh, and now you're looking for a good time. I think you should take a chance with me. And do you wanna get the mood right? I think you should take a chance with me. Cause I've been on my way. I've been on my way for a long, long time. You've been on your way. You've been on your way for all your life.
Saying the internet were rubbish at Ramsgate. Get some bonus though, won't you? Sorry, because he couldn't watch Pirates at Caribbean without it buffering.
I can see the fire escape.
This is Dover. Or Dover Straits as they call it. Many ships across this area. Don't know if you can see in the background against the white cliffs of Dover. There's a P&O ferry crossing there. Just had to speed it up a little bit because it was very busy. There were ships every 20-30 minutes, so again, outboard motor, gotta be done. Oh, look at the view, fantastic. It's like proper blue seas, blue sky, just enough wind, nice cruise. Couldn't be better. Beautiful. This is the UK, everybody.
A good time. I think you should take a chance with me. And do you wanna get the mood right? I think you should take a chance with me. Cause I've been on my way. I've been on my way for a long, long time. You've been on your way. You've been on your way, yeah, for all your life.
definitely there. You see the arrow? So it's sort of, it's behind me, it's at the side of me. It's behind me, it's at the side of me. Can't remember. There is something, trust me. Passing Folkestone. Catch us next time on Madcat Sailing as we recap the journey so far and the next port of call. Before you go guys, don't forget hit the subscribe button. Things can only get better.
So shaking through my car, left me in the cold. Chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my pace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into myself, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. Bottoms up.